I am incredibly excited to announce that we have just placed our 3,000th graduate into a job in technology. There are 3,000 individual stories from backgrounds as diverse as hospitality.
I was a barista.
Healthcare.
This is my first time coding. Before this, I was a travel nurse.
Customer service.
Before this, I had a job at a bank. I was a teller.
You know, you name it.
I worked in factories.
Worked for a public library.
I was actually a stay-at-home dad.
I asked them, how did you hear about Tech Elevator? And it was that my friend told me, and they wouldn't let me look anywhere else.
I had some friends who had done Tech Elevator. They basically were just like, you should do it.
We estimate that the average Tech Elevator student will see a lifetime earnings lift of over $1.6 million as a result of the training they receive here. So it's extraordinary to think that 3,000 placed graduates represent nearly $5 billion in increased lifetime earnings.
I'm making more than twice what I was making last year working 2 jobs, working 1 job.
I'm looking at totally different jobs that I would have never dreamed of looking at years ago.
It was a very almost unreal kind of thing when I was telling my wife about it. It's not just a couple percent raise, it is almost 100%. I almost doubled my salary.
In many ways, what we've done with Tech Elevator is that we've built something much more than a business. What we do is so much more than train people how to write code. We're helping people gain control. We're helping companies grow with diverse talent, and we're impacting the communities that we're in. It's absolutely necessary that the systems that we interact with are built by all of us. So I think in our 3,000 number is an enormous amount of confidence that if we can achieve this kind of scale, we can achieve so much more as an organization. We have an opportunity to make our mark, not just on the coding bootcamp industry, we have an opportunity to make a mark on education more broadly.